Boys and girls, today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, and here is our knock knock joke of the day. Knock knock, who's there? Spell who? W-H-O, silly, don't you know how to spell who? Get it? They're saying spell who? W-H-O, or like this, lowercase, W-H-O, that's how you spell who. All right, here is our Sudoku puzzle of the day. You know how to do it. Rows and columns and boxes each can only have the numbers 1 through 4 one time each. So it's obvious right here. What are we missing? We're missing the number 1. Here's another easy one, 4, 3, 1. We're missing the number 2. Now we have 2 boxes. 3 boxes, just with 1 in each of them. We've done one similar to this before, so this box is missing the 1, this box is missing the 2, this box is missing the 3. All right, now we have a whole empty box with 2 to choose from with both of them. So the way we do this is we look down here, okay, so to do this box, we look down here and across here, because if it's already in one of these, it can't be in here. So it has to be the one that's missing between these. So we have a 1, we have a 2, and we have a 4. So the only thing that's missing is a 3. Next, we now have 3 in this row, so we would know that we need to fill in a 1, 2, 3, 4. And that makes it easy to finish because there are 3 in this row, the 1's missing, 3 in this, oh, I'm saying row. I hope you guys caught that. 3 in this column, the 1 is missing, 3 in this column, the 4 was missing, and so that filled in that row correctly too. All right, morning work. Number 1, ready, go. Correct the sentence. Leilani, Sosander, and Camilla live in Utah. So we know that people's names always have a capital. So there's the first thing we're changing. And the name of a state has a capital. Our punctuation, Leilani, comma, Sosander, comma, and Camilla live in Utah, period. That's how we correct that sentence. Number 2, ready, go. Fill in the blanks. 110, 120, blank, 140, 150. Well, you can see that there are 10 between each of these, so let's try 10 more. 130. So that gave us 10 between those, and 130 to 140 is 10. So that means the last one would be 160 also. Number 3, ready, go. How much money do I have? 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters. Do you remember how much those are worth? A quarter is worth 25 cents. 25, 25. And then 1, 2, 3 dimes. Those are each worth 10. And 1, 2 pennies. 1 and 1. So if you're good at just looking at quarters and adding them up now, which you could be because you've had some practice, we say 25 and 25 is 50, and 25 more is 75. And then we count by tens. 85, 95, 105, 106, 107. So 107 cents is the same as $1.07. If you need to, you can set these up on a place value chart to add them together. Number 4, ready, go. Which word has the same beginning 2-letter blend as black? So beginning 2-letter blend. Bull, bull. So b-ack, no. T-ack, obviously not. Make, no. Below, yes. Bull, bull. All right, on to our poem and song of the day. It's more landform song and poem, and this is a valley that will be fun to color. It's sung to the tune of Good Night Ladies. There are lowlands between mountains, between hills, there valleys, yes indeed. Rivers cut them, glaciers carve them, they are lowlands, they're valleys, yes indeed. sing or say that 2 or 3 more times. But one thing I want to point out to you is it says right here in the bottom stanza, the second stanza, rivers cut them, glaciers carve them. They are lowlands. So what they're saying is lowlands between mountains that make valleys are formed sometimes by a river going through between the mountains, sometimes by a glacier coming through and carving out the mountains and creating that lowland. All right.